Hey everyone, Desiree here. So in this video, I'm going to open my order I just got in the mail today from Ashy Leigh. Is it Lee or Leigh? Ashy Leigh Designs. I ordered some of the page markers that she makes that I know a lot of people love them, and I've been seeing them for a while, and I've been wanting one for a while. And I finally bit the bullet and ordered one. So I thought it would be fun to kind of open it on camera as per usual. So let's go ahead and do that. Now I think I ordered two of her page markers, and I ordered them for my happy planner. Oops. Let me make sure. Okay. I had to make sure I wasn't showing my, oops. Okay, I don't think I did show my address. So let me go ahead and take out the receipt. So you probably already got a little glimpse here. I got the kind of holographic design. And look how cute. So let's open this up. Now she has lots of different designs to choose from, and she has, I think, 2 or 3 different sizes. She makes these for happy planner, ringed planner, and also coil bound planners and traveler's notebooks. So what I got was the month and the today page markers, and you can see I got it punched for the Happy Planner. Look how pretty these are. This is the holographic foil, and then it also has like this holographic design on the back, which is super cool. I really like that. And then the other one I got was just the clear page markers, and then it has the today and the month tabs at the top. Look how cute. I really like how the way this is cut, like it's really nice. Like it's it feels nice and smooth. It's not like all jagged like if I were to do it. So let's go ahead and take a look how this is going to look in my planner. Okay, so here we are for December, and then this is a nice thick, I guess, plastic, so I'm sure it pops in pretty easy. Look how cute, you guys. And then this can also be like a little dashboard too, like you can put sticky notes or post-its or something on there. So cute. And then when you close it up, you can see it, oops, it sticks out here at the top. I love them. Very good quality. The only, thing was that it took a while. I think I ordered this probably at least a month ago, and I just got it today. So, the turnaround time is not quick, but I do think it's worth it for the price and the quality of these. Very, very good. Totally worth it. I'm very happy, and I would definitely buy it again. So, that was my quick little unboxing for my, and I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, if it's Ashy Leigh or Ashy Leigh. I used to think it was Ashley, but it's actually Ashy, S-A-S-H-Y, Ashy Leigh Designs. Alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed this quick video. If you have any questions, feel free to drop those down in the comments below. If you're not subscribed, please make sure you do so, because I do have a lot more videos to come. Alright everyone, I'll definitely see you in the next video. Bye.